my A1C was 7.2 at the lowest, and after the course, it's gone down to 6.0, and I haven't seen those numbers in a decade. Previously, my fasting A1C averaged about 150 or so, and after the program, my fasting went down to less than 100, so that was quite the change. For about a year prior to joining this program, I was on a keto diet, fully keto, so not eating all the carbs or any of the fruits and vegetables. And while it helped my numbers by not spiking, I knew it wasn't sustainable. And in fact, the numbers kept on going up. And I thought, well, I knew that it wasn't sustainable. And that's what I just found out about the program. Thanks to the program, I find myself eating way more food than I used to, thanks to bulking up with green leaves and all the vegetables, a lot of fruits and vegetables, whereas previously I was limiting the amount of fruits I was consuming, knowing that fruits causes a spike in insulin. But now that I know how to manage with my insulin and with the dosing, I'm able to eat a lot more fruits and vegetables along with my leafy greens. And because of that, my digestion has really improved. No longer have constipation, and that's definitely helped with my day-to-day movements. I definitely enjoy the variety of foods that I now consume, particularly the fruits and vegetables. The berries in the morning, the fruit bowl in the morning was a big change, along with having salads, which was not something I was used to, having greens for breakfast. However, the combination of the fruits and the green leaf was very enjoyable. And also consuming even bananas, having bananas, which I would never touch. All the fruits I used to enjoy, I can now really enjoy without guilt. What drew me into the program was the fact that I can eat fruits and vegetables all I want, and the diet seemed way healthier than what I was consuming. That was the trigger, was the food in which the program promotes. I noticed a difference within the first week of the program based on knowing exactly the amount of insulin I should be taking, the foods that I was consuming, that combination of knowing accurately how to calculate my carb to insulin ratio. Even though I knew the carb to insulin ratio, it was the foods I was consuming, and using the Cronometer application that helped me know the accurate dosage based on what I was consuming. Because of that, my numbers weren't spiking up to 300, just crazy amounts. And I knew how to lower those numbers, what I needed to do to manage the spikes. Before mastering diabetes, my A1C was 7.2 at the lowest, and after the course, it's gone down to 6.0. I haven't seen those numbers in a decade. Previously, my fasting A1C averaged about 150 or so, and after the program, my fasting went down to less than 100, so that was quite the change. Previously, I was taking insulin before meals, eyeballing, approximating how much I would need based on the food that I was consuming. However, I was always undershooting, and now, after the course, I finally figured out how much carbs each food contains, so I can accurately calculate my insulin dosage, and that finally helped me prevent the peaks. There's no limitation on this course. I mean, yes, there are certain grains and vegetable you should limit, not go overboard with it. However, those yellow and red light foods also helps identify what to limit. Not to say you can't have it, but really limit the numbers. So, no, there's really no limitations. It's just everything in moderation. And how do you prevent overdoing? Or if you have gone overboard, what do you do to correct it? Mastering Diabetes University, MDU, is very appropriate in the terminology. It educates you on how to manage your diabetes. However, you have to really live it, not just sit through and read the recipes. And once you realize that, then you can really thrive on your own. I think that's what's helped me get through just the first 3 months that I joined. I was somewhat getting there, but not really, because my numbers were still going up, kind of all over the place a little bit. But once I extended my subscription and truly worked just like my coach was explaining what she goes through in her day-to-day from morning to evening, that's what helped me really understand what it takes to manage your diabetes. A lesson on what to eat, when to eat, how to move. Everything, it's like a mechanical engineer. It really takes a lot of movement. The greatest gift mastering diabetes has given me is my life and enjoyment of the variety of foods out there that is healthier and the best for my own body. I would highly recommend anyone considering learning how to manage their diabetes, because it's a lifelong lessons that you can use for the rest of your life.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.